it's Steve from Leading Dental. Today I'm going to go really quickly through just some O-ring changes on the Acteon Newtron handpieces. Now, this is the Suprasson handpiece. This is the older style, not the slim style. It comes in 2-piece or 3-piece. So this one here is non-optic. You've got the base piece and then the top piece and then a nose cone here which screws off. You can also get it in a 2-piece with just the base and a single bit on top. So essentially same handpiece, just a different case. Now what we're going to look at here is we've got one larger O-ring on these, which is on the outside here, and we've got a small O-ring on the inside. Now the inside one in there, that's the one that seals the water. So that's the one if your water's not sealing and leaking out, it's going to be that O-ring in there. So essentially you can buy this kit here, which has all the parts you need to do the O-ring. Now you've got 3 of those O-rings in there. You've also got these tools and an instruction manual in there. So these tools are designed to help the O-ring go on. There's a little step-by-step in here. Look, it's really, really simple. First, what you've got to do is you've got to get in there with some sort of a little pick or scaler and just get that little O-ring off there. So we just pull that one off. I'm not going to do it in the video, but you just get that O-ring off. Then what we do is we follow the step-by-step on here. So we get our small O-ring, we feed it onto here, we slide it down. Now, as it says on the instructions, then we put a little bit of oil in there. Now, a little bit of O-ring lubricant. I recommend the Katani Lubrajets. It's one that we sell. It comes in a little dropper bottle. Really easy to put on. Then what we do is we get this piece here and we slide it over there. We push that O-ring all the way down. Now, in this case, we would have had our other O-ring removed already. We line that up there and we just push that outer shroud all the way down. And what it will do is it will push the O-ring off the end of that little tool straight onto that shaft. So you would have had that removed, put the new one on, job done. Now, the only other one then is we take this outer O-ring off here. This one's not in the kit, so that helps to secure the O-ring onto the base. And you just order that on another part number here, and that just comes as a single O-ring. So essentially you've got one inner O-ring, one outer O-ring. You get 3 of the inner ones in a kit with the tools. The outer one comes as a standalone item. So we'll put some of the part numbers in the notes that go with this video. So thank you very much. Don't forget, if you do have any questions, give us a call. Our number is 07 3139 1549. Thank you very much. Have a great day.